Let's learn from E to H today. This is how you write an uppercase E. And this is how you write a lowercase e. E is for elephant, earth, elf, and elevator. This is how you write an uppercase F. And this is how you write a lowercase f. F is for fox, fish, fan, and fork. This is how you write an uppercase G, and this is how you write a lowercase g. G is for guitar, goat, gumball, and girl. This is how you write an uppercase H, and this is how you write a lowercase h. H is for hat, home, hand, and horse. Let's do a short quiz. Which one of these letters is letter E? If you choose this one, you are correct. Which one of these letters is letter H? If you choose this one, you are correct. Which one of these is letter F? If you choose this one, you are correct. Which one of these start with letter G? If you said gumball, you are correct. Which one of these start with the letter E? If you said elephant, you are correct. Thank you for watching Easy Breezy Learning. See you next time when we will do I to L.